This is the Inspire Fitness M3 Multi-Gym, and on paper, it promises to replace an entire commercial gym in your spare room. No commute, no waiting for machines, just you and a full-body workout anytime you want. But here's the thing. After spending real time with it, I found a few surprises. Some great, and a couple you definitely won't see in the marketing. So, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's get into it. Inspire Fitness M3 Multi-Gym Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Inspire Fitness M3 Multi-Gym is a premium all-in-one home gym system from Inspire Fitness, designed for people who want a complete strength training setup without stepping foot in a commercial gym. It's been around for a while, but continues to be a go-to option in the high-end home fitness space. This thing is aimed squarely at busy professionals, home workout enthusiasts, and honestly, anyone who's tired of gym crowds. Its key selling point? A dual weight stack system and multiple workout stations that let you train everything from chest and back to legs and arms, all in one footprint. Inspire Fitness M3 Multi-Gym Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I put the M3 through real-world use, everything from chest presses and lat pull-downs to leg extensions, and here's the headline. It feels shockingly close to a commercial gym. The resistance is smooth, consistent, and doesn't have that jerky feeling you sometimes get with cheaper cable machines. The dual 165-pound weight stacks, 330 pounds total, are a big deal. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit of lifting experience, there's enough resistance here to grow. And because it uses independent stacks, you can even do functional training or two-person workouts, which is honestly underrated. One thing I noticed right away is how fluid the cable system feels. Transitions between exercises are quick, and you're not constantly adjusting awkward pins or attachments. That means less downtime and more actual training. But it's not all perfect. If you're someone who lifts really heavy, like powerlifting level, you might outgrow the resistance ceiling. Still, for 90% of users, it hits a sweet spot between versatility and performance. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features, because this is where the M3 really earns its price tag. First up, the dual independent weight stacks. This basically lets you train both sides of your body independently, which is huge for fixing muscle imbalances. It also means two people can use it at the same time, perfect if you're working out with a partner. Second, the multi-station design. You've got a press arm, high pulley, low pulley, leg extension curl station, all built in. That means you can move from chest day to leg day without switching machines or leaving your space. Third, the cable system. This isn't just any cable setup. It's designed for smooth, friction-free motion. In real life, that translates to more controlled reps and less strain on your joints. And finally, adjustable components. Seats, arms, and handles can be tweaked to fit different body types. So whether you're 5'5" or 6'2", you can dial in a comfortable setup. Design and build. Aesthetically, Inspire Fitness knocked it out of the park here. The M3 has a clean, professional look with a mix of steel framing and high-quality padding that feels durable and premium. When you're actually using it, everything feels solid. No wobbling, no creaking, just a stable platform. The upholstery is thick and supportive, which matters more than you think during longer sessions. That said, this thing is not small. It's a commitment in terms of space, so you'll need a dedicated area in your home. But once it's set up, it genuinely feels like having a mini gym built into your house. Pros. Dual weight stacks for versatility and partner workouts. Full body training in one compact system. Premium build that feels durable and stable. Cons. Price is on the higher side. Advanced lifters may want more max resistance. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth the money? Look, if you're someone who's serious about working out at home and wants a complete setup without piecing together multiple machines, the Inspire Fitness M3 Multi-Gym is an absolute no-brainer. It's reliable, versatile, and genuinely enjoyable to use. If you're a beginner to intermediate lifter, this could easily be the only machine you ever need. It removes friction from your routine, which, let's be honest, is half the battle. But if you're a hardcore lifter chasing massive PRs, or you're tight on space, you might want to consider alternatives like a power rack setup instead. For everyone else, this is one of the closest things to bringing a commercial gym experience into your home, and that's a big deal.